This video will cover how to create an air import consolidation shipment in Logi Suite. So first we're going to select the air import module and click on the airway bill link from the main menu. That's going to go ahead and take us to our list screen. If you have a similar shipment you'd like to copy to get started, feel free to do so. Just right click and copy on the desired transaction. For today's example, I'll go ahead and create a new record. First thing you can do is select the class of airway bill you're creating. So I'm going to start with a house airway bill first. A prepaid or collect shipment, go ahead and fill that out there. If you begin quoting your customer for this house, you can enter in the quote number or click on the magnifying glass to search for that quote and pull over the details previously entered. Shipment number will go ahead and be generated by the system automatically. If you'd like to create your shipment prior to your airway bill, from the main menu, click on the shipment link, and then you'll just create that new record. Once you're ready to do your airway bills, just pull that shipment number into this field. Next, we can declare the master airway bill number. That's going to go on this shipment, and then the house number as well. Any customer references you'd like to declare, you can do that here. Service for your customer, what you're providing them, whether it's a door-to-door, airport to airport, whatever it may be. Okay. Carrier for the shipment. Origin and destination information. Let's say it's coming over from Frankfurt International Airport over to Miami. Okay. Final destination, departure, and arrival dates can be declared here as well. Flight number, terms for the shipment, these are like your Incoterms, currency. Then you have the tab section where you're going to enter in all the details about the customer or the cargo. Shipper, let's go ahead and enter in one here, consignee. Then you have the ability to declare notify, broker, agent. In date and POD, you've got all these dates here, like the pickup, follow-up date, and then you have a space to declare comments about each event. And to the right, you have the proof of delivery section, which can be filled out when you update the POD information from the list screen or the tracking status application. Import and customs tabs allows you to enter the IT, the go number, the expired date at the terminal. Routing and export information. If you are importing to create an export shipment, you can create an export shipment from these airway bills. And then to the right of this tab, you will see the export airway bill or shipment information. You can also click on this icon to take you there. Location of cargo, comments, pickup or delivery if it needs to be scheduled. These fields pull from customers because I have customer type selected here, but if you need to pick up at the terminal or at a carrier address, just change the type to change where this table pulls from. Okay, additional customer references, pickup and delivery orders. So if you want to use the Logi Suite pickup and delivery module over here, create an order entry, you can do so from your airway bill. Simply click on the little plus sign or tasks, create PD order, and that will launch the order entry from the pickup and delivery order module with all the details of this shipment onto that order. Here on this airway bill, you will also see a line created there for every pickup or delivery order associated to this transaction. And as a final tab, you just have some extra validation dates that have been requested. Scrolling down, you've got your agent IATA code, account number. This information can be set up as a default in your system so that it automatically populates for you. Handling information can be manually entered. However, there is a table for handling details that you can click on and pull over that information. Same thing goes for nature and quantity of goods. You can manually type it here or click on the magnifying glass to pull from the table where you'll have that information pre-populated for you. In the cargo details, you will go ahead and declare the cargo that will be imported on this house. So a right click to add here, or click on the green plus sign just like you do anywhere else. Now the system is going to ask if we want to generate a file for this airway bill. That's that shipment number we spoke about earlier. We're going to go ahead and say yes to that question. And here we will go ahead and declare the cargo. You've got two options at this point. You can be sort of high level and just generate, enter number of pieces, weight, commodity, and things like that. Or you can go down to the box or item level by entering dimensions of each unit that you are receiving. Okay, let's see, that's there. If it's multiple of the same type of cargo detail, you can enter that in the quantity to go ahead and duplicate the total weight for each unit. When you click OK, I'm going to ask to update everything here, and the system goes ahead and puts your totals over here in these fields for you. So either you enter in the details and it sums it up here, or you can just enter in the grand totals, whatever is more convenient for your operation. Okay, once you click OK, the window remains open so you can continue adding other lines in the event that you're moving multiple commodities. If it's all the same commodity, you can just go ahead and enter it in the first rate line. As we scroll down on the airway bill entry for import, you have charges details, which again is a right click to add or click on the green plus sign. Now you can set up your system to have auto rates so that they automatically calculate for you on your shipment for both buy and sell rates. For information on that, just call the office to schedule a training appointment. Now for billing codes, when entering charges, you can pretty much select the billing code for whatever it is you're going to charge the customer. Let's say it's a trucking, a handling, customs fee, air freight, whatever it may be. Bill type, who's the bill party, total amount, and then if you have any cost associated to that particular service or fee that you're declaring up top, go ahead and declare that in the cost tab, and then of course select a vendor to whom you have to pay this out to. When you click OK, the window remains open so you can continue adding charges details in the exact same way in the form of a list. There's unlimited charges that you can enter here. The system will calculate total bill cost, profit, and profit percentage for you. Okay, and those amounts will populate down here at the bottom in their corresponding place, whether it's a weight charge, due agent, etc. Lastly, you do have the signature and executed on that automatically populates. These can be set up for you, or you can leave them for manual entry. And then you have general comments for the airway bill, which again have their own table of notes that you can set up any predefined comments there to pull them over. Now I'm going to save my airway bill. And notice we have now our import airway bill shipment number. So that's what I'm going to use on my next house for this shipment and on my master as well, just to link them together so that they are associated to the same file. Once you're ready to go, just click on print to go ahead and print any available documentation. You've got pre-alert, arrival notice is the most common. We've got an advice note and the arrival notice. And if you need to print an airway bill, you can here, as well as a manifest if you need to. Let's go ahead and preview that document. General shipment information, and then you've got all these features along the top so you can export an email out of the system and attach it to the transaction, print and close out. You can also scan and upload any documents or images and attach them to the file, generate your invoices based on the charges entered, file AMS if you need to through the system, and once again you've got several tasks available here for you to complete after the airway bill process. Once you're ready, save and close. System will ask you if you want to notify your customer in case you have them set up for automatic email notifications. Then you will simply create your second transaction for that shipment, enter in that shipment number to go ahead and pull over all the details from the previous shipment, and then continue on for your second shipper or the master filling it out. From the list screen on Air Import, you can update the tracking status, POD information, close the shipment out, or transfer the invoices to the accounting bridge by clicking Accounting Post to continue your billing process. That's all for today.